How's it going, guys, and welcome to this mini vlog slash update. And I just wanted to show you this right across here. I have finally installed the rack that I wanted to do, the top rack. It's just the top one. I won't be putting the bottom one in here because I want to keep all the natural light that we possibly can in the workshop. So I installed, let me see if I can get a better picture. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I installed it across here and I reinforced it on the bottom sides of the girder. Ideally, you'd want something going up so you can stop the dip when the weight comes on it. I may end up doing something coming back to the top side of the girder, but I'm going to see after I have it loaded with tires if it dips down much or not. But I have that now installed. It came out nice, it's looking good, and it will eliminate all of these tires here, and I'll have more space on the floor, and if I have any special orders, that will be done. So the only other updates I really have is I'm going to get in a new DSLR camera. I had an old one. I couldn't put in an external microphone in it, so I wanted to get rid of that. I just sold it the other day, and I'm going to get a new DSLR at the weekend, a Panasonic Lumix FZ330. Looks to be a nice camera. From the reviews I read and all that, it should suit exactly what I need, and it'll give me better audio if I'm shooting videos as well. Anything else? Have a little one due at the end of the month, so the videos might be a little bit slow at that time because it'll be a bit crazy. After things settle down, we'll get back to normal on that. And that's pretty much it. A very short, sweet, straightforward vlog. If you have any comments on if you think this one is going to dip badly, let me know. If there's any engineers out there that think it's going to go whomp and up like that when it's loaded with, I don't know, how many tires do you think this will take? I haven't counted it out. My guess is around 15 though, depending on space. But if you see here, I believe that can take around 6, and this here, yeah, maybe more, maybe 18 to 20. After I get my camera and that, I'm going to do an update and I'm going to show you this rack. So comment down below if you think that it's going to need reinforcing there somewhere. Thanks to everyone who likes, shares, and has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, go ahead and press that button, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.